In this tutorial, we will learn about the tools available to students to choose a career that is going to be a good fit for them. First, we'll go to our Careers tab, then Get to Know Yourself, which is a series of assessments. What do I like? What do I value? And what are my skills? The first one, what do I like? We'll ask students a series of questions on activities where they can rate whether they like it or hate it with the smiley face icon to the right. Once they've answered all the questions, they'll click Next. And once they've done that to all the questions in the Get to Know Yourself assessment, they'll click Save My Answers. The next assessment is What do I value? Students will drag and drop the boxes under the column that fits them best, whether they think it's most important in a work environment or least important in a work environment. Once that is finished, they'll click Save My Answers. The next tab is What are my skills? Here students will rate specific skills and how they believe they are with those skills using the icons to the right. Once they're finished, make sure they click Save My Answers. The next tab is the My Interests tab. This will have the results of the last 3 assessments the students took, giving them their like inventory results and generating the best career categories for them. Now we know what career cluster or category we will be good at. We can scroll up and we have 2 options. We can click Explore Careers or navigate to the Careers tab, Explore Careers, which brings us to a database full of careers we can filter or view by name in alphabetical order or career cluster. We can create a career filter using the inventory results we received on our assessments. This will help us to find careers that will match what we will be good at and what we value and what we like. We'll then make a name for our filter and click Save. At the top, we can select a saved filter. Choose the filter we created. It will then generate the list of careers shown to us by our specific filter preferences. When we find a career we're interested in, we'll click on the career name and it'll take us to an in-depth look of that specific career. When we've gone through all the information available about the specific career, we will click Save to My Occupations. Next, we'll hover over our Careers tab and scroll down to Hawaii Career Pathways, where we can learn about the 6 Hawaii career pathways: Arts and Communications, Business Management and Technology, Health Services, Public and Human Services, Industrial and Engineering Technology, and Natural Resources. Students will navigate through each career pathway to see which jobs might fit best for them. Once they've gone through each pathway, they can find a career in those specific pathways, and we can add those to our occupations list. If we hover over our My Portfolio tab, we'll scroll down to Career Plan. The first tab, we can create an after high school goal. We can select the type of goal and fill in a note about the specific goal. Once we save that goal, we'll move on to the next tab, My Career Profile. Here we have the interests and values from our previous Get to Know Yourself assessments. We're able to edit and add career clusters and subjects by clicking here. We will add the career clusters and move them over to the right to the My Career Cluster box, then click Save. On our next tab, My Occupation List, we'll see the occupations we added previously. If you'd like to add an occupation straight from this list, click Find More Occupations. Our next tab, My Goals and Strategies, gives us the option to add goals and strategies to achieve them. Click Add Goal, select Goal Type, name the goal and the expected date of completion, and click Save. Our goal will show up here. We can scroll down to Strategies and follow the same process we did when we added a goal to add a strategy. Our next tab will be My Course Plan. Here we will work with our teachers and counselors to make sure we are in the correct classes For graduation requirements, future school application requirements, and classes that match our desired career goals. If we go to our final tab, Review My Profile, we have my employment, activities, honors and awards, and scores and stats. These can be edited from my career plan. Click Go to My Employment, or from Home, My Profile. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach us at 1-888-509-9761.